Hey guys, it's John and Morgan, and welcome to a special travel edition of Finally Friday.
Woohoo! We made it to the weekend, but right now I'm not woohooing.
Yeah, it's pretty sketchy right now.
Yeah.
You can see the black up here. That is the sky.
Back up where?
Isn't that?
No, that's the RV. Oh my god!
No, I thought this edge right here.
No, babe, that's the RV. That's the corner of the. Yeah. Okay,
No,
guys.
look at
No.
this.
Hey, wait. My hair is blonde. It's not John's, but
No, you can see the edge.
no, you
right?
can't.
Look, where my finger's pointing.
Right where
here?
your finger's pointing is the end cap. That's black.
Oh.
Yeah, but
Well,
the sky
it looks-
is black.
From back here it looks gray.
Yeah. Oh my lord. So this has been day one of travel on our 3-day adventure. From Albuquerque is our starting point, and our last destination will be Paducah, Kentucky. And where are we going tonight? Elk City, Oklahoma. Woo! Did you see that one?
If we ever make it there, what?
It was a huge lightning. Yeah, that was a good one. I'll flip you all around so you can see these, how kind of clear it is and how fast these clouds are moving. They're moving fast. And this is the clear side, believe it or not. Behind us is like pitch black. There is 60-mile-an-hour winds and 1-inch hail. So we are in a rest stop with all of the truckers because we're not gonna have all that hail damage. Well, I mean, we're still probably gonna have hail damage, but hopefully not. Queenie, what you thinking? Hi, Quinn. Mia, where are you at? Mia, you're gonna ignore me? Mia, Mia, really? You really gonna ignore me? Not Quindo. She never ignores. She's a kisser.
Her breast stinks.
How far are we from our destination tonight?
22 miles.
22 miles and we're stuck. Oh man, it sucks.
Oklahoma sucks.
Yeah, whew, that was some good wind. Look at him rocking.
Yep.
Oh great, now I'm kind of concerned we're gonna get like toppled over by the
Well, that's how we get a new RV.
the semi next to us. Yeah, right?
If it's gonna happen now.
We're sandwiched between two semis right now, so we pulled in next to him hoping that he would block some of the hail because it's coming from the southwest. So
And he's blocking a lot of the wind, so that's good.
yeah, but until he falls over on us, then that's not good.
You want a Class A.
Well,
That's how you get it.
strategic parking, is that what you're saying?
Gap insurance.
Yeah.
In 2 miles, continue onto I-40 toward Portsmouth.
I don't know how that started recording all on its own. Day 2 of travel, and now we're sitting on the highway.
Stuck in traffic.
We
haven't made it out of Oklahoma.
No. But we're, what, 30 miles east of Oklahoma City?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah. And there was no traffic. Everything was great. We were just chugging along, and then boom, construction, and we are at a standstill, literally. No movement. Oh.
So we are going to announce the winner of our most recent giveaway at the end of this video, so make sure to stay tuned.
Yes. And that was for the smart home giveaway that we started 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
But we have to wait till we get to the RV park tonight to be able to do Tube Buddy to pick the winner. So, because I didn't bring a computer with me. I should have brought a computer with. Don't know why I didn't think of that. But anyways, oh, we're moving
Slowly.
at 3 miles an hour.
Butterfly.
Oh. Well, I don't know what to tell you. It's really hard when you're sitting on the highway and you look to your right and you can literally see Brahms.
I know.
Some ice cream sounds super good right now.
Anything sounds good. I'm hungry.
And I'm not gonna lie, I kind of have to pee, but
Well,
we don't have time for that.
you know what? I got time for that.
Although I feel like I could probably run back and put the stairs down and go in and pee, and we wouldn't have moved. So, update on yesterday's storm, which was the beginning half of this video. We sat for 40 minutes at the rest area, and we kept watching the radar to see when it was going to clear or whatever, and the storm literally split around the rest area and kept going. So We didn't get any of the hail damage or anything, but I am super glad that we pulled over, because when we had gotten back on the highway, all of the trucks that remained on the highway and passed us, they had all pulled off and they were sitting on the side of the highway. Rest area is much safer. I was happy about that. And we didn't blow over or get hail damage, so that's great. We're doing 4 miles an hour now. Oh, no, back down to 2. What did you think about the RV park this morning, leaving?
We
won't stay there again.
Yeah, we won't be there again.
No.
Number one, with the construction, it was just a pain in the ass. And then the trees weren't manicured, so there was overhanging limbs. And it was just a pain.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't stay there again. It's not an easy on and off of the highway.
No, it is not. They're putting in a diverging diamond. Like, so when you get off the highway, they're putting a diverging diamond, which, if you don't know what that is, look it up, because it's stupid. It's dumb. Yeah. Fun fact, Fort Wayne, Indiana was actually the first place to install a diverging diamond.
Well, why do it?
Yeah.
The on and off ramp system has worked for how long?
Yeah.
Why change it? Quit messing with shit. Just leave it alone.
Yeah. So, yeah, which, you know, when they do construction, like, you know, we totally get that, you know, we need to be courteous of the construction workers, and but when they put these detours, they just expect you to be able to, you know, whip a U-turn to be able to get back on the highway. Well, we can't do that, you know. So thank God there was an Atwoods parking lot.
Yeah.
That we were able to turn around in and get back on the highway.
This is annoying.
Yes, babe. This is unfortunately part of it. But I will say, because we always rag on roads, Oklahoma has some awesome roads, especially their toll roads, but we're not on the toll road today because I'm not paying like $50 to drive. So,
we wouldn't have to go through all this.
True that. And I'm gonna be really, Mia, are you okay back there? You're breathing really heavy.
She's hot.
I know. Mia, we have to turn the air down for the video.
Here, come sit over here. Get out of the sun, dum-dum.
Well, she has to look out the window because she's nosy like that.
Just like her mama.
Yeah.
We're out of New Mexico. Finally. Thank Jesus.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, Oklahoma so far, everywhere we've been, they have a sign on the door that says mandate for masks, but we have not seen a single person wearing a mask. So that's kind of a change of scenery for us.
And the dining rooms are open for restaurants here.
Yeah, and did you notice yesterday at Arby's, they don't do the contactless pickup, whatever, which really cracks me up. Because here, let me put my drink, or your drink, on a tray and then hand it to you. But that means I didn't touch it, but I put it on the tray.
Yeah, just hand it to me.
Yeah, whatever.
I don't know how many times it's fallen off the stupid tray and they had to give you another one. Just hand the freaking cup to me.
Yeah, but today has been good weather, travel weather so far. It's really pretty right here. The trees are getting taller. John's really excited for fall because we were supposed to be there at 3:24 and now it's saying 3:35.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. We have 245 miles left. Let him over.
I'm going to.
Okay. We try to be nice to truckers because we totally understand how stupid people are. It's unbelievable to us how people don't understand just basic inertia. Like that idiot that cut you off to get on the exit ramp.
And almost hit us.
Yep. Well, I mean, we almost hit him. And you know what? Joke would have been on him because now we have the ranch hand bumper on the front.
And I ain't stopping.
It would have just flipped him and we would have just kept going.
Run your ass over.
And honestly, you know what? I wouldn't have even stopped for that.
Okay.
Because don't be a dum-dum. I was going to talk about tattoos.
Oh my God.
Tell them your story.
Go ahead.
So stupid
waste of money.
I really like tattoos. John says they're a waste of money.
Mm-hmm.
Which I think they are a waste of money when people just get random crap put on them. Why are you doing that?
Did it just turn really dark?
No.
I feel like it did.
Okay, maybe. I don't know. Anyways, I like tattoos a lot, but he thinks they're a waste of money. And I have a couple, but he said to me, why do you like them? And I said, well, because it's good memories for me. It's like special. And he said, can't you just remember them in your head? I said, well, no, because, like, for example, I have one that's right on my shoulder here. And occasionally I'll catch myself, like, smack it because I think it's a bug. I see it out of the corner of my eye. And then I laugh and I giggle and it makes me think of my grandma, and that's who the tattoo's for. So I'm like, it's just an extra, I don't know, happy memory. So this one says to me,
I still think this is a good plan.
He says, well, while I'm sleeping, he can take a permanent marker and draw dots all over my body so that I constantly slap myself and get a good giggle out of it.
If that's all you're using the tattoos for, is for a giggle out of it.
No. It's meaningful. It is.
Okay.
John will never get one because he is too much of a control freak.
No, I'm too OCD. If it's not exactly perfect.
Right, but you're a control freak. Like, you would have to do it yourself in order to trust that it was going to be done right. So, all right, y'all, we are now in Park on I-40.
My leg was getting tired of holding the brake.
Oh, okay. Does anybody else have this problem when you have dogs? You have to put the child lock on your windows because they will just stand up, and Quinn knows how to push the... Well, Mia does it too. She pushes the button to roll the windows down, and she has hairs sticking off her nose. Oh, she never gives kisses. That's nice.
No, come here.
Husky.
She's a punk.
Huskies are like cats. They only want to be touched when it's convenient for them.
Yeah,
Guys, we're moving like 20 feet. Oh, look at that. That's pretty.
Oh, yeah.
Like, we have a mirror. We're looking at ourselves in the back of this very shiny... I bet if the sun hits that truck, it's blinding.
Probably.
Yeah. Oh, we look so beautiful. This was the culprit. This is what all the holdup is for. Like, why is it so hard to merge? I don't understand that. Boy, I'll tell you, when we were in Oregon, they could merge like it was how it's supposed to be. Was it not? They were like the best mergers ever. John has a theory that they're all high, and that's why they merge, because they don't care. There's no me first mentality there. They're like, yeah, come on over. Weed's legal here too. Not for public use.
Okay.
I'm just saying. That blows your theory apart.
Well, no, public, you can't do it in your car.
No.
It's public use.
No.
So.
Yeah. True. Oh, guys, we're stopping again. P update. I still have to go. Potawatomi, those aren't here. Really?
Yeah.
I don't know, but I just learned about the Kickapoo Indians.
Well, you've never heard of them.
I've never heard of... What a horrible name. It's bad. It sounds like a kicking a poodle or something. Literally kicking a turd. And this is why Oklahoma roads are so nice. Because they do this crap right.
They're like all hitched together.
I know, it's like one long train.
Oh, fire coming out.
Uh-huh.
Don't be like my propane tanks on fire.
Right? Good God. Alright, we're free. Possibly. Maybe. Who knows? There might be another convoy up ahead or something. Well, that's a pretty decent sized river. I mean, lake. It's on the other side too. Maybe we can become friends with that guy. Go on a boat ride. Okay, so when you were in the gas station,
Yeah.
there was this truck that pulled in next to us, and the guy, he was pretty short. He was like shorter than me, and he wanted to clean his windshield. So I'm watching him. He climbs up on the roof of his truck and sits there and squeegee, or like washes it and squeegees it off, and then takes paper towels up there and like cleans it off. but the whole time he's got, you can extend, you could extend the squeegee so he could have stood on the ground, but he literally sat crisscross applesauce on his truck.
They even have the long ones with the long pole like I use.
That's what I was talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, I don't know. People are a little strange.
Hammer down.
We saw a Stay Golden Pony Boy sign.
Stay golden, Pony Boy.
It really wasn't. It was for, what was it? Golden Pony Casino. Greenleaf 10 Killer. Ooh, I don't think I want to go to 10 Killer State Park.
State Parks.
It's like a serial killer state park or what?
Never know.
Creepy. Wide loads over 10 feet prohibited.
10 feet wide.
Yeah.
Not 10 feet high.
I know. I panicked for a second. I was like, abort mission, turn around. It's really been a beautiful travel day. There's the Arkansas River, and it's a really bumpy bridge. These are the bumpy bits, more bumpy bits, Jonathan. All the gravel for the new concrete highway they're putting in. I-40 is going to be really nice when they're done with this.
If they're done with it.
Well, yeah, in 25 years. Man, it just goes on and on. Do you have a bone? Did you get a bone, Mia?
Stinky breath.
We made it to Morrilton, Arkansas. And let me tell you all, if you're going to Arkansas, just pass on through Morrilton.
Keep driving.
Don't
It's
stop.
disgusting. We're gonna do a park review.
This time I'm actually going to do a park review, like a
Yeah.
real review, not an overview. We are not happy, but
Well, don't give away everything.
we're
You have
just
to
here
watch
for
the
one
video.
night. Yeah, so
What we do need to do is announce the winner for the giveaway.
yes.
Who's our winner?
Sharon Freeman, congratulations. You won the
Congrats.
smart home kit.
Yep.
So, or package or whatever I don't know, you call it something different every time.
So we will put our email address in the link or
The
in the
description.
description below, so you can send us an email with your address and where you want it sent, and we will get that shipped out to you.
And if you don't want to do that, follow us on Instagram and send me a DM through Instagram. Either way, whatever works best for you.
Dunzo?
Dunzo.
All right, guys, that's going to be it for today's episode. Thanks for watching. Until next time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and then head on over to Instagram. Follow us at Longhaul Lifesavers.
See you guys. Have a great week.
Where's the camera? Oh, it's over here. Cute.
Okay, there, I got it.
Jesus Christ. It's disgusting.